Daniel here. I want to give you another update on what I've been doing with the web dashboard for TelemetryDeck, which is going to be the way you can view your insights and stuff like that in your browser directly. The macOS app will still exist. It's all fine, but we want to have people who don't use a Mac also be able to use TelemetryDeck. So this is why we're also creating this web dashboard. And it also gives me a way to think a lot about how queries should work and how displaying charts should work, for example. And that's what I want to show you today. So here is a typical group for my TelemetryDeck data. So nothing really new here. You see, like, some of the charts, they look okay, but not perfect. For example, like this thing probably shouldn't display this timestamp as a string. It should probably display it as an actual month. Stuff like that. But basically, this is what we have right now. We use a wonderful charting library called chart.js. And a thing that I've just finished is all of these, they are interactive, so I can hover over here. I also mark the newest bar here a bit more transparent to say that, yeah, this thing is still changing. We have the auto-generated colors for macOS and iOS, and also like for other things, they look a bit more chaotic because they are just generally auto-generated without any like semantics in there. And what I also want to show you is line charts. They look like this with a nice little dashed line here at the end to show that, yeah, this part will still change because this is not done yet. What we also can do now, which is a thing that I really wanted to do for a while, is I can actually click this chart to make it bigger, which it doesn't really make too much sense for this one because this is already displayed in expanded mode. But for example, here's a tiny chart, and I can just click that and it will be full screen, which is quite nice because then I can explore the data more. And what I can also do now right here is I can display this chart in various different ways. And doing that will actually not trigger a recalculation. It will just show the data in a different chart. And you can also see that some chart types are not implemented yet. So I'm just putting a nice little to-do sign here. And yeah, but bar chart works. Pie chart works, but not for time series because time series queries don't really make sense for pie charts, I think. So I kind of postpone this until the end, but I can display stuff as a line. I can also just put it into a table and actually just scroll through the table and see all the data in there. And this is a debug thing. I don't know if it's going to be in the released version, but for me, I can also see the query that generated this chart, which is a thing. You can see here our new query language that I've been teasing a lot. And basically, this is what this looks like. All right, this is what I wanted to show you today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. And as always, I would love to hear from you about how do you like that? Is that a good direction? What is missing? Do you see any problems with that? And also, if you like it, please tell us you like it, All right, see you soon.